Hi, it's Ronnie Junior from YRM, and today we're going to be talking about tow bars, and in particular, this tow bar here. So this was fitted on TD5 onwards, so 1998 to 2016. I'm going to show you as well how you can fit it to earlier models, changing some brackets around as well. So we're going to look at a 90 setup first, but first the angle. This is used on them all. So first you're going to get your M10 bolts and get your holes lined up there. The kit does come with washers. I'm just doing this finger tight for the demonstration here. So that goes there. So that is fitted on 90s and 110s. Next, we're going to look at this. This again is universal. It's same on 90s and 110s. So we'll start off with them 16 bolts through here into your rear crossmember. So next, we're going to line the drop down plate up with the angle. Now, we copied this from my dad's 2012 X-Tech in Nara Bronze. So on that kit there, it used an M8 bolt going through there and through there. That's in there. Now, this what makes it specific just for 90s now is your bracer bars, which take them back to your chassis. So we're going to grab our left-hand side first. Left-hand side is this here. And obviously it's got the weld nut already put on, which is M12. Which goes on there. So this goes towards tow bar end, and the other one goes towards the chassis, because that's got the weld nut inside the chassis there. So you're going to turn that around there, so your weld nut's to the back side. Then you're going to grab your other M12 nut, bolt, sorry. Line it onto chassis there. And then just repeat the same process on the other side for the bracer arm. Now, all we advise when you're working with the stainless steel fixings is either using light oil or copper slip for putting your bolts in. And whatever you do, don't use an impact driver, because when you put heat into stainless, it doesn't like it and it'll cause the fixings to gnaw. Just use sockets and spanners to tighten all your bolts up. So we've got all the bolts loosely put in, so we make sure everything lines up. Now everything's lined up, what you're going to do next is tighten everything up using a socket or a spanner, as previously mentioned, with some light grease or copper slip or light oil on all of the fixings to stop them gnarling. We're not going to tighten up today, we're just showing you for demonstration. Next, we're going to look at how you fit this on a 110. Right, so we've fitted a 110 tow bar onto the Cadbury car. So you've got your back angle and your drop down plate, same on 90s and 110s. What the difference is your bracer bar here. Because on your 90s, you've got your tank bracket cradle coming down off your chassis. Your 110s don't have that set up. So on a 110, your bracer bar goes straight back to your chassis, which also picks up on your tow and eye bolt kit. So now, I mentioned before how you can fit a TD5 tile rear bumper to a pre-TD5 vehicle. So if you've got 110, it's exactly the same setup as this. But if you have a 90 and you haven't got them tow bar brackets, not tow bar brackets, the tank trailer brackets, you need to buy a 110 version kit and take your bracer bars back to your chassis as this kit here. So if you're doing a 90 pre-TD5, you're going to need tow bar kit 369, which is for 110, but will fit your 90s on a pre-TD5. And if you're doing a 90, you just need to be purchasing 384, but that is only for a 90 TD5 onwards. Also, what you might need is your socket bracket, which is product reference 348. It's all 316 grade stainless steel. Comes with the M6 bolts here and your 3 M5 screws for screwing your socket back to the socket holder. So on this tow bar, this has all been, it's mild steel, then hot galvanized as previously ones. Then we had it Linexed. That's the coat we've had on it. because that day you can hit it with a hammer, it's not going to chip, especially when you're reversing onto a trailer. And if you hit your bumper, it's just going to stop your tow bar. It's going to stop the paint chipping. And again, you can see there where we've got the foam tape between all the different components. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.